engineering surges as UK house building hits new lows. The UK construction sector is undergoing a significant transformation, with growth and decline occurring simultaneously across its subsector. While commercial and civil engineering projects have experienced robust expansion, residential house building is grappling with a steep downturn. November 2024 marked a notable divergence as the S&P Global CHIPS UK construction PMI rose to 55.2, indicating overall sector growth. However, house building continued its decline, driven by high borrowing costs and a lack of consumer confidence. The boom in civil engineering, fueled by renewable energy and infrastructure projects, offer hope for sustained sector growth. Meanwhile, the housing market struggle raise pressing questions about the UK's ability to meet government targets and address an acute housing shortage. The construction trend in UK construction. The UK construction sector is experiencing a significant trend contrast. On one hand, robust demand in commercial and civil engineering projects has propelled the industry forward. On the other, the residential construction subsector is witnessing in steps decline since June 2045. The S&P Global CHIPS construction PMI for November reflected this divide, while the overall PMI climbed to 55.2, house building fell to 47.9. Firmly in construction territory. The number highlights abstract reality. Commercially, construction has expanded at its fastest pace since mid-2022, boosted by the reopening of the space and increase in retail infrastructure. Civil engineering similarly has benefited from high-profile renewable energy projects and strong government backing for infrastructure development. In contrast, residential construction struggles have exposed vulnerabilities in the UK housing market. Elevated interest rates have made mortgages less affordable, dampening demand on living construction firms worry of challenges facing the residential construction sector. The decline in residential construction is symptomatic of large economic pressures. High borrowing costs following successive interest rate hikes have significantly reduced the accessibility of mortgage. Potential homeowners are being priced out of the market, leading to reduced demand for new homes. Consumer confidence has also played a pivotal role in the downturn, with inflation concern persisting and economic growth projects subdued. Many are hesitant to invest in property. Builders are responding cautiously, delaying or scaling down new development in the face of uncertain returns. These factors have not only impact housing supply but also stand the government border housing objective. Residential builders report a slump in new order, reflecting the hesitation of buyers and the challenge government housing target at a risk. The UK's government ambitious target build to 1.5 million homes by the end of the current parliament is under significant threat. This equates to annual requirement of 300,000 new homes, a goal that has proven elusive in recent years. The steep decline in house building activity exacerbates this challenge. Estimates suggest that with fewer than 2,200 government housing target at Paris, the UK government's ambitious target to build 1.5 million homes by the end of the current parliament is under significant threat. This equates to annual requirement of 300,000 new homes, a goal that has proven elusive in recent years. The steep decline in house building activity exacerbates this challenge. Estimates suggest that fewer than 221,000 homes were completed in the past year, a shortfall of nearly 800 homes against the annual target. Factors such as high borrowing costs, increased material price, and workforce shortage have converged to slow progress. Beyond commercial target, the lack of housing supply sustainable inflation for communities across the UK. A constrained housing market fuel rising rents and property price, further alienating first-time buyer on low-income families. In the trend continues, it risks compounding the UK's housing crisis with long-term economic and social repercussions. To address this, the government must consider bold measures such as expanding incentives for house builders, reforming planning regulation, and introducing target financial support for first-time buyers. Without decisive action, the gap between target and reality may widen, leaving millions without adequate housing options. The broader impact of interest rates on construction. The Bank of England's monetary policy decision have cast a long shadow over the construction sector. After a period of consecutive rate hikes, the recent decision to hold interest rates steady in November brought some relief to the industry. However, the effect of the past rate increase continue to reverberate, particularly within the residential construction subsector. High borrowing costs have deepened demand for mortgage, directly impact house building activity. Builders face rising financing expense, making it less economically viable to initiate new projects. Additionally, the uncertainty surrounding future rate cuts have led both developers and buyers in a holding pattern, reluctant to commit until greater stability is evident. In the commercial and civil engineering domain, the impact of interest rate has been less pronounced. Long-term infrastructure investment often rely on public funding or corporate finance structure that are less sensitive to short-term rate fluctuation. However, its borrowing costs remain elevated for an extended period. The cost began to affect this project as well, especially in sectors like renewable energy that require significant upfront capital. The UK's construction sector stands at a crossroads, with opportunities for growth and challenges to overcome. The commercial and civil engineering subsector are poised to continue their strong performance, boosted by investment in renewable energy infrastructure, urban development projects, and government initiative. This represent a beacon of stability and growth amidst the broader economic uncertainty. However, the residential construction sector outlook remains uncertain. Builders face ongoing pressure from high material costs, a sluggish housing market, and waning consumer confidence.